Hello guys, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to contact the support team of GCASH. So for this you wanna go to the browser you have and go to the GCASH website, and at the right corner you tap on the lines, and here you want to go to the help center. You press on the help center option, and at the right corner you see the live chat. So you open it and tell them that what happened with your account. Sometimes you're locked out, sometimes you have questions, or like you lost your password. You can ask them all types of questions in the live chat. They have a very good customer support, so I previously had a problem with the account and it really helped me out. So this is the easiest way to contact the support live chat of GCASH. If you have any further questions about GCASH, please let me know down below in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.